The question is to find the limit. Since x approaches negative infinity, we have to factor out the highest degree of the terms from the numerator. And that is the square root of x squared, and this is equal to absolute value of x, right? So this limit is equal to limit as x approaches negative infinity. Denominator, we have absolute value of x, square root 2 plus 1 over x squared, and 2x in the numerator, right? Now, what's x over absolute value of x? X over absolute value x as x approaches negative infinity. This is always positive and this is always negative, right? Same number with one positive and one negative. Then that is equal to -1, right? So this is -1. So we have limit as x approaches negative infinity, -2 over square root of 2 plus 1 over x squared. And we know that this approaches 0 as x approaches negative infinity, right? So this limit is equal to -2 over square root of 2 plus 0. And if we rationalize this, that's going to be equal to -2 root 2 over 2. So that's negative square root of 2. All right?